Good morning students, I hope you all are fine. In this video, I am going to teach about one of the illustrative example which is present in the second unit. The illustrative example is distance between 2 points. Okay, you are going to calculate the distance between 2 points. There is a mathematical formula to calculate the distance between 2 points, right? What's the formula? Distance between 2 points equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, how the formula got derived means, consider a graph x, y, here 1, 2, 3, the values are plotted like this. Okay, this is x values. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the point is nothing but intersection of x-axis values and y-axis value. For example, 2, 3. What's the point here? The x-axis it is 3. The x-axis it is 3. The y-axis it is 2. Right? So it is 3, 2. Again, I am drawing another one line. Okay, here what's the intersection point here? The intersection point is 5, 4. In the x-axis the value is 5. The y-axis the value is 4. You are going to find the difference between these 2 points. Okay. So you are going to find the difference between this point to this point. That's the formula. See here, x1, here it is considered as the x1, this is considered as a x2, this is considered as y1, this is considered as y2. So if you want to find the distance means, you have to subtract, you have to take the, you have to subtract the x2 value with the x1 value and take the square. Then you have to find the square root. This is the logic you are going to do in this illustrative example. But we can't directly apply this formula in your programming language. There should be certain rules and regulations. In the operators, the previous video class, already I taught you the operators and the precedence, right? The priority, associativity, all these things we have to think about that. After that only we can apply these things in the programming concepts. So this is the formula. Okay. Now we are going to execute this formula. Okay. How we have to execute this formula in the programming way, I will explain. First, distance equal to, here square root is there, right? In the programming languages, there is a no square root symbol. Okay, for that one function is there, square root of sqrt. Sqrt is the function used to find the square root. Okay, this function is present in the package called math. It's nothing but, think about it, it's like one folder in your mobile phones and the computer, folders are there, right? Similarly, there is one folder, there is one package called math. Inside the package, lot of mathematical functions are there. For example, square root, then sine of, then cos, then tan, then seal, like that, floor, like that, lot of mathematical functions are there. Everything is present inside the package called math. Inside the math, many mathematical functions are there. So instead of the square root symbol, we have to use square root function in your programming. Similarly, in your programming language, there is no square symbol. Here x2 minus x1 whole square it's there, right? You can't put directly square in your programming language. For that, another one operator, I taught you. What the operator? We can use exponential symbol. We can use exponential. That is nothing but this double star. x2 minus x1 double star 2 or 3 or 4. Like that you can take the power. You can't directly apply the square. If you want to take square or cube or quad, you can directly use the exponential symbols. Now we will get the clear idea about the formula, right? How we have to use. Now we can I am elaborating in the programming point of view. Distance equal to, first you have to use square root of, then x2 minus x1 the whole, instead of square which symbol? Exponent symbol, plus y2 minus y1 2. So instead of square root you have to use square root function. Then this value x2 minus x1, instead of square you have to put double star 2. Then y1 minus y2, instead of square you have to give double star 2. Now we can see the program how to write, then we can do the manual derivations for this. Okay. So here first line, import math. What is this import math? Here import is a keyword. This import is a keyword. The notes, if you check, you can find it. There is a keyword called import. Okay, how many keywords are in Python? There are 33 keywords. One keyword is import. Always the keyword should be written in lower case. So import is a keyword used to import the particular package in your program. What's the use of import? Adding the particular package. Already I told, square root is a function. Function is nothing but inside the function some instruction are already there. Okay. While the Python programs are developed, they develop lot of predefined functions. The coding is already there. We have to just apply and use it. So for that only I am giving the path import. I am adding the particular math package. This is the package, and this is the keyword. Okay. So import is a keyword and math is the package. Okay. So you are adding the particular package in your program. Now see the formula. How many inputs we require? We need totally 4 inputs. Okay. One is x2 value, x1 value, y2 value, y1 value. One by one we have to get it. So enter the value of x1. So print. It will, whatever you are printing inside the double quotes, it will print here. So it will display like this. Enter the value of x1. Okay. What's the next line? x1 equal to int input of. So see this, how many brackets are there? 2 brackets. If 2 brackets are there, always the priority given to the innermost bracket. So first this will be executed, input of. Input of is a function used to get the input from the user. So input of is a function used to get the input from the user. So for example, I am getting the value 2. Okay. So here I am going to convert it. Actually it will be considered as a string. Input of is a function used to get the input as string. Now you are converted into integer. So it should be converted into 2. So now what's the x1 value? x1 value is 2. You are giving the value 2. Similarly, the next input you are getting, enter the value of x2. Okay, for example, you are getting 4. The same thing, x2 equal to int input of. Okay, again enter the value of y1. Okay. So you are getting some input for y1. Similarly, you are getting the value for y2. Okay. Now see the here only you are doing the expression. Here only you are solving the expression. Result equal to, that is distance equal to, this is the illustrative example is used to calculate the distance. So result equal to math dot, math is a package, the particular package dot square root. So you are giving the math is the package, inside the package one function is there, square root, that only I am mentioning here. Math is the package name, square root is the function name. Math dot square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we can solve it and we can check. Okay. So square root of, what's the x2 value? x2 value is 4. What's the y2 value? x1 value 2 into 2, that is exponential symbol, square, plus what's the value of y2? 6. What's the value of y1? 3 star 2. Now 2 brackets are there, right? Which bracket has the highest priority? Which bracket has the highest priority? Always the innermost bracket has the highest priority. So solve the innermost brackets first. So square root of 4 minus 2, you will get 2 exponential plus here 6 minus 3. Then the next step we can solve this bracket, right? So I am directly solving here. 3 star 2. Okay. Now again square root of 2 square, it is 4, plus 3 square, it is 9. Okay. Now square root of how much? 9 plus 4, it is 13. Square root of 13. Your answer is 3.60 will come. Okay. 3.605 will come. If you want, you can calculate it. Okay. So result equal to, first math is the folder where the function is located, square root of x2 minus x1, then it is a exponential symbol for square, then y2 minus y1, it is a square, exponential symbol denotes square. Now your answer is stored inside the result. Which result you got? 3.605. Now I want to print this result. So print distance between 2 points equal to, here result. What's the result? 3.605. So how you will get the output? You will get the output like this. Distance, whatever wrote in the string will be displayed first. Distance between 2 points, double quotes, whatever present in the double quotes will be displayed first. Distance between 2 points equal to, we will get the answer 3.605. All of you understood? I am explaining once again. First you have to know the formula. Formula equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So first import is a keyword, math is a package. Here if you skip this line, while using square root, you will get the error. Because your program don't know where the square root function is located. That's what I am importing and giving the directory. Directory means location. Inside the math, there is a one function called square or square root. Like that, I am giving the path. Okay. Otherwise, it leads error. If you skip this line, here you will get the error. Okay, all of you understood? Then depend upon the formula, I am getting the inputs x1, x2, y1, y2. then I am substituting the formula. I hope you understand this illustrative example, students. Thank you.